Hi traders, there are three airdrop I want us to talk about very briefly. As you can see, this is the Pluto lab and this is the interface. You go to home, you can claim your coin here. The GPLTL, that's the Pluto coin, you can claim it here. As you can see, I've claimed. You can come to your daily tax, come to your daily checking. You can claim your daily reward here. So you can go to your refer, you can refer one or two persons because it will be launching very soon, as possible. You can see the bonus I get from my direct referrals, you can see, which is very nice. So that's it. Look at their futures, look at what they are planning to do. Imagine a system where you can use your Pluto coin to buy airtime or pay for your bills, or you can use any of your coin at all, any coin you have in the wallet to pay for your bills. So they have a very nice project that have not been launched before. So that's it. This is for the Pluto very fast. Then let's jump to the second one on our list. Alright, blessed people, here's another wonderful airdrop. When you click on the link, it will just take you to this place, and all what you need to do is just to refer a friend, then you retweet. After retweeting, you connect your Solana wallet and wait for your airdrop. That's all, nothing more. Just refer 2 to 3 friends like that, or 3 to 2 friends like that. You don't really need much. So let's go to tweet. Let's see if we can connect our wallet. Just click on receive. And as you can see, our reward here is 15. So all we need to do is just to refer a friend, even if it is one friend, just to refer a friend. That's all. Then you just wait for your airdrop. Once it comes, you will get credited to your Solana. You understand, your Solana address. So there's nothing much. I will be sending this link to the group right now. So if you just see it, all what you need to do is just to invite a friend, tweet, then you connect your Solana wallet through your Trust wallet. So that's just it, nothing much. Alright, blessed people, here is another nice airdrop I wanted to look at. It's very simple to claim, no much stress. All you just need to do is to just scroll down. You just need to complete these tasks. Most of my airdrop are taxes. You just need to complete these tasks, follow them, retweet. Nothing much. Then you come to referral. You come here, pick your referral link, copy it. Then you refer friends as much as possible. Just to get more points. It's nothing much. You can check the leaderboard. Okay, all these points are the points that I have already achieved, which if you accumulate them together, it will give us this 180 points. So that's it. Now I'll be waiting for my airdrop. Luckily for me, it may come out. You might see the airdrop. One otoko might be $4, might be $1, might be $18, might be $13. So wherever it is, you will just need to calculate each one value times the points you get. That's it. If it come out $1, you just need to calculate 1 times 180. Currently it will give you $180. That's it. And if it is $5, the same thing. You just do 5 times 180. Any amount to give you, that's the amount of profit you have. So this airdrop is not stressful unlike other ones. So it's just straightforward. You just need to complete these tasks, then come to refer 1 or 2 people. That's it. And click on this profile here. As you can see, my wallet is connected here. It's very simple to connect wallet. Once you are stuck, you can DM me, I will put you through. Then you can see my Twitter is connected here. Let me see if I can connect my Discord right now. Yeah, boom. As you can see, my Discord is connected. You can check for their policies. You can check for their terms and conditions. Anything you want. So you can download this Farcaster. And install it. connect it. That's just it. Once I'm a bit free, I'll just do that so that I know my profile is all verified. So that's just it for this Otoko airdrop.